South Africa, a land of diversity, culture, and natural wonders. Welcome to South Africa. Located at the southernmost tip of the African continent, South Africa is a country of immense natural beauty, rich history, and unparalleled cultural diversity. From breathtaking landscapes to vibrant cities, this nation is home to some of the most iconic wildlife on the planet. In this video, we will embark on an exciting journey to explore South Africa's geography, demographics, cultural heritage, and festivals, along with its top tourist attractions, thriving economy, and so much more. So, get ready to experience the magic of South Africa like never before. Geographical location. South Africa is beautifully bordered by Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and Eswatini. It even embraces the Kingdom of Lesotho, an independent nation nestled entirely within its borders. The country boasts a breathtaking coastline that stretches along both the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, offering stunning, postcard-worthy coastal landscapes. And then, there's the legendary Cape of Good Hope. This iconic landmark, standing at the southernmost tip of the country, is where the two mighty oceans dramatically collide, a sight that has mesmerized explorers for centuries. But South Africa isn't just about its coasts. It is a land of contrast, featuring towering high plateaus, endless savannas, mystical deserts, and lush, fertile lands. Population and major cities. With a population of approximately 60 million people, South Africa is one of the most populous nations in Africa. It is a land of rich diversity, where cultures, languages, and traditions blend harmoniously, shaping a vibrant, ever-evolving society. Some of its most remarkable cities include Johannesburg, 6 million, the largest city and economic heartbeat of the country. Often called the City of Gold, it earned its name from its legendary gold mining history. Today, it stands as a modern metropolis, home to the bustling financial district of Sandton. Cape Town, 4.8 million. This city is famous for the majestic Table Mountain, golden beaches, and an electrifying nightlife. As South Africa's legislative capital, it blends natural beauty with political significance. Durban, 3.7 million. A paradise for beach lovers. With its warm, tropical climate and strong Indian cultural influence, Durban is a coastal gem. Not to mention, it boasts one of Africa's busiest ports, keeping trade and tourism alive. Pretoria, 2.5 million. The administrative capital, where history meets power. It is home to the iconic Union Buildings, a symbol of governance and heritage. Port Elizabeth, Gqeberha, now 1.3 million. A charming port city known for its pristine beaches and rich wildlife reserves, a dream destination for nature lovers. Cultural heritage and history. South Africa's history stretches back thousands of years, rooted in the traditions of indigenous communities like the San and Khoi people, who lived in harmony with the land, their stories etched into ancient rock art. But everything changed in the 17th century when European settlers arrived, bringing with them new ways of life and conflict. First came the Dutch, establishing colonies and trade routes, followed by the British, whose rule reshaped the nation's destiny. Yet perhaps the most painful chapter in South Africa's past was the apartheid era, a brutal system of racial segregation that tore communities apart for nearly 5 decades. Families were displaced, rights were stripped away, and voices were silenced. But hope was never lost. The resilience of the people led to a powerful fight for justice, with Nelson Mandela, a symbol of resistance and courage, at the forefront of this battle. Finally, in 1994, history was made. Mandela became the first black president of South Africa, ushering in a new era of democracy, equality, and hope. Today, South Africa is a vibrant and multicultural nation, home to 11 official languages, including Zulu, Xhosa, Afrikaans, and English, each one telling a unique story of its people. Traditional music, dance, and art remain the heartbeat of South African identity, blending indigenous rhythms with global influences. From the soul-stirring beats of drums in Zulu ceremonies to the colorful, expressive art found in bustling markets, the country's heritage is a living, breathing masterpiece. South Africa's past is one of struggle, but its future? A testament to resilience, unity, and the enduring power of cultural heritage. Popular festivals in South Africa. Cape Town. Minstrel Carnival, January. A dazzling explosion of color, music, and energy. This lively parade fills the streets with vibrant costumes, soulful singing, and infectious dancing, an unmissable spectacle of joy and tradition. National Arts Festival, June-July. The heartbeat of African creativity. Held in Makhanda, this is Africa's largest and most prestigious arts festival, where painters, musicians, and performers bring their talents to life, igniting inspiration across generations. Durban International Film Festival, July-August. A cinematic masterpiece. This prestigious event showcases the finest African and international films, bringing together passionate filmmakers, actors, and storytellers under one roof. It's a paradise for film lovers. Hermanus Whale Festival, September. A magical celebration of the majestic southern right whales. As they glide along the coast, spectators gather to witness their awe-inspiring beauty, while the festival comes alive with music, food, and ocean conservation awareness. Opakapi Music Festival, August. The wildest rock and alternative music festival in South Africa. Thousands of music lovers camp under the open sky in Limpopo, losing themselves in electrifying performances, dusty dance floors, and an unforgettable atmosphere. Natural wonders and wildlife. South Africa is a land of breathtaking landscapes and astonishing wildlife. The famous Big Five, lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhinoceros, roam freely in the country's vast national parks and game reserves, offering visitors an unforgettable safari experience. Kruger National Park, one of Africa's most legendary safari destinations. Covering nearly 20,000 square kilometers, this wildlife sanctuary is home to thrilling game drives, diverse ecosystems, and some of the most majestic creatures on Earth. Table Mountain, a world-famous natural wonder. Overlooking Cape Town, this iconic mountain offers breathtaking panoramic views, adventurous hiking trails, and an exhilarating cable car ride to the summit. Blyde River Canyon, the third largest canyon in the world and one of Africa's greatest treasures. With its lush greenery, dramatic cliffs, and winding rivers, this natural wonder is a paradise for photographers and nature lovers alike. Drakensberg Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its towering peaks, ancient rock art, and thrilling hiking trails. The crisp mountain air and breathtaking scenery make it a hiker's dream. Robben Island, a place of historical significance. Once a prison for political leaders, including Nelson Mandela, this island stands as a symbol of resilience and freedom. A guided tour unveils its powerful past and inspiring stories. Augrabies Falls, a mesmerizing sight in the Northern Cape. As the mighty Orange River plunges into a rocky gorge, the falls roar with unstoppable power, creating a spectacular natural display. Tsitsikamma National Park, a haven for adventure seekers. This lush paradise is home to dense forests, rushing rivers, and adrenaline-pumping activities like bungee jumping from the world's highest commercial bridge, Bungee. Tourist attractions in South Africa. South Africa is a land of breathtaking beauty, drawing in millions of visitors every year with its diverse and mesmerizing attractions. Victoria and Alfred Waterfront, Cape Town. A vibrant, bustling hub where the salty sea breeze mingles with the aroma of fresh seafood. This iconic destination offers world-class shopping, live entertainment, and stunning harbor views that captivate every traveler. Garden Route, a breathtaking coastal drive where lush green forests meet golden beaches. This scenic route is a paradise for nature lovers, with hidden lagoons, thrilling hiking trails, and picturesque towns that feel like a dream. Soweto, Johannesburg. More than just a township, this is the heart of South Africa's fight for freedom. Walk the historic streets where Nelson Mandela once lived and feel the echoes of resilience, struggle, and triumph in every corner. Sun City Resort, a dazzling oasis of luxury, entertainment, and adventure. From world-class casinos and golf courses to thrilling water parks and safari experiences, this resort promises an unforgettable escape. Kango Caves, a mysterious underground wonder. These ancient limestone caves, millions of years old, boast dramatic stalactites and stalagmites that sparkle under dim lights, whispering tales of time long past. Boulders Beach, a magical shoreline where the adorable African penguins waddle freely. Imagine walking along the soft white sands as these charming creatures waddle past, completely unbothered by human presence. Drakenstein Lion Park, a sanctuary of hope and healing. Here, rescued lions, once mistreated and caged, now roam freely, their mighty roars echoing through the vast open land. Namakwaland, a once barren landscape that transforms into a paradise of colors. Every spring, this desert bursts into a vibrant sea of wildflowers, painting the land in shades of orange, purple, and yellow. Truly a sight to behold. Economic overview. Beyond its natural wonders, South Africa stands as an economic powerhouse in Africa, driven by strong industries and boundless ambition. GDP. With an economy valued at approximately $400 billion, South Africa stands as one of the continent's economic giants, shaping the future with innovation and resilience. Key industries. The nation is rich in natural resources, boasting a thriving mining industry. Gold, diamonds, and platinum gleam beneath its soil. Additionally, its automobile sector and financial services keep the wheels of progress turning. Tourism. Over 16 million visitors arrive each year, eager to experience South Africa's magic. This booming sector fuels local businesses, creates jobs, and showcases the country's vibrant culture to the world. Agriculture. From the rolling vineyards of the Cape Winelands, renowned for their world-class wines, to the sprawling citrus farms and golden maize fields, South Africa's agricultural wealth is as diverse as its landscapes. Technology and innovation. The future is bright. Johannesburg and Cape Town are rising as tech hubs, fostering cutting-edge advancements in AI, fintech, and digital solutions that promise to reshape the continent. Major airports in South Africa. OR Tambo International Airport, Johannesburg. The busiest airport in Africa. This world-class airport is the gateway to South Africa, handling millions of passengers annually. It offers excellent facilities, duty-free shopping, and seamless connections to domestic and international destinations. Tip for travelers: arrive early, as security checks can take time. Enjoy a meal at one of the premium lounges or shop for souvenirs before your flight. Cape Town International Airport, a major hub for international tourists, offering easy access to the stunning beaches, vineyards, and cultural hotspots of the Western Cape. The airport is known for its efficiency and friendly service. Tip: if you have time, visit the airport's viewing deck for a spectacular look at Table Mountain before you depart. King Shaka International Airport, Durban. The pride of KwaZulu-Natal Province. This modern airport provides quick access to Durban's golden beaches, vibrant markets, and warm coastal climate. Tip: need a quick bite? Try some authentic bunny chow, a local favorite, before heading out. Port Elizabeth International Airport, your gateway to the Eastern Cape. This airport is perfect for travelers looking to explore Addo Elephant National Park or the Scenic Garden Route. Tip: the airport is small and easy to navigate, so expect a smooth and stress-free arrival experience. Luxury and popular hotels in South Africa. South Africa is home to some of the most luxurious hotels in the world, offering breathtaking views, top-tier service, and unforgettable experiences. The Silo Hotel, Cape Town, a masterpiece of architecture and luxury. This high-end hotel, built within a former grain silo, offers breathtaking views of Table Mountain and the V&A waterfront. Every suite is a work of art. Tip: book a room well in advance. This hotel is highly sought after, especially during peak tourist seasons. Saxon Hotel, Villas and Spa, Johannesburg. A tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. This ultra-luxurious retreat is famous for hosting celebrities and dignitaries, including Nelson Mandela. Indulge in world-class spa treatments and fine dining. The Oyster Box, Durban. Step back in time at this charming colonial-style hotel overlooking the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Known for its iconic red and white lighthouse views, it offers a perfect blend of history and modern elegance. Tip: treat yourself to their famous afternoon high tea, a delightful experience with ocean views. One and only Cape Town, a 5-star waterfront paradise with world-class dining, including a restaurant by Michelin-starred chef Nobu. Enjoy lavish rooms, serene spa treatments, and panoramic views of Table Mountain. Conclusion: South Africa is a country that offers something for everyone. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a cultural explorer. From the breathtaking landscapes of Table Mountain to the thrilling wildlife safaris in Kruger National Park, every moment in South Africa is an unforgettable experience. Its rich history, diverse cultures, and warm hospitality make it a destination like no other. Whether you're sipping world-class wines in Stellenbosch, exploring the colorful streets of Bo Kaap, or hearing the roar of Victoria Falls, a short trip away, South Africa will capture your heart. Come and discover the magic of South Africa, where every journey is a story waiting to be told.